guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a come shop with me. I have to make a few errands today. I have to go to Walmart, maybe Home Goods, Michael's, TJ Maxx, and the dollar store. So if you want to see what I get and how I shop from all these stores, just keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will be very much appreciated. And yeah, so I'll be right back once I get into the car or into one of the stores. Okay, so I'm back from the stores. We went to the grocery store, Dollar Tree, Michael's, and Home Depot. And I was not able to record. I was in a rush. I was just trying to get in and out the store, so I was not trying to pull my phone out. And that's it. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly what I got from all the stores. I'm going to start with Michael's. At Michael's, I bought two things, and I paid $6.77, and I had a 20% off coupon, and I saved $1.60. So if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. So my plan was to make a potty chart for my daughter because I'm in the process of potty training my daughter. So I bought these cute little letters. Let me take my mask off. Okay. I bought these cute. I got these cute little letters. It's A, B, C, D, E. And the theme I want for her to have is trolls. And I'll show you the stickers that I actually got from the dollar store once you get there. But I got these little stickers. And the board that I'm going to be using is white. Has sparkly blue trimming on it. And yeah. I think this was $5.99. Let me tell you the exact price. The glitter things was one for $2.39, and these were $3.99. So next we're going to go to what I got from the grocery store. I spent $59.35.
Actually, it's $56.35, not on $59.
Lidl's. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's the grocery store I went to where I live. So, the first thing I got is some Shoestring French fry potatoes. My daughter's really picky when it comes to eating, so I had to get something that she likes. So I got her some Shoestring French fries. I got me some baby mushrooms, blueberries, spinach, and I got some eggs. The next thing I got is the chicken thigh fillets because I plan on meal prepping me and my daughter's food. And I'll have a video of how I prep our food for the week because I'm doing a keto lifestyle, and then my daughter's super picky, so you're just going to see how I managed to make both of us healthy, great meals that both of us will eat. If you hear, that's my baby in the background, so she's just got her little thing that I showed you guys earlier. Yeah, that's yours, my baby. Next thing I got is this plain yogurt. I'm trying to watch my carbs, and I know this is probably over the carbs I'm supposed to eat within a day, but this is kind of my cheat snack, as you can say. Okay. The next thing I got is some wild caught fillet fish. As you can see. I got my daughter a gallon of 1% low-fat milk. She loves milk, and I need to start buying her milk because she drinks all the milk from everybody in my household. So, yeah. Alright, the next thing I got as well is medium cooked shrimp peeled and deveined with tails off. I love seafood, so I'm going to be eating a lot of seafood this week. And I also got some cut green beans steamable. So I can just pop this in the microwave when I'm ready to eat it, and just season up when I'm done. I got some turkey Polish sausages. for breakfast. Next thing I got, I'm gonna get it out the bag. I got my daughter some pizzas, the 4-cheese self-rising crust pizza. I'm about to take a thumbnail. Okay. So, and then I got myself a vegan pizza, the garden vegetables. It has garlic sauce, tomato sauce, spinach, cherry tomatoes, and mushrooms. I just thought this looked real good. So therefore, I'm about to try it. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. The next thing I found that I really wanted to try, because if anybody knows me, they know I love mussels. So I found filled mussels with garlic and herb and butter sauce. This is what it looks like. Sorry, it's reflecting on. This is what it looks like. And I'll also let you guys know how that tastes as well. Next thing I got is some buttermilk pancakes. Because this is basically all my daughter be trying to eat is pancakes. She loves breakfast food. But when it comes to the bread part, she likes, what is she? She likes the French toast and pancakes. Waffles is a hit or miss, but I know she loves her little pancakes. Next, I got some Gogurts. And then some whipped cream. I usually just be eating this by itself. It might be weird, it might not, but I don't care. It tastes real good when you freeze this and eat it like ice cream. And it's only 3 grams of carbs. 3 carbs in my, so why not? It's better than regular ice cream, and I can stay on my keto lifestyle and not be upset about it. My daughter some maple and brown sugar oatmeal. This is the only type of oatmeal, and banana. This and banana oatmeal is the only oatmeal my child really eats. Anything else, she will not finish it, or she probably just throw it on the floor. Next thing, guys, which every person in a black household has on top of their refrigerator, some ramen noodles. And I got the chicken flavor. This is one of my daughter's favorites as well. And she only eats the ones in the packet. She does not like cup noodles. To me, I feel like they're the same thing, but no. If it's not this, she's not going to eat it. Oh. I got me some baking soda. Oh. I got me some baking soda. Sorry, I had a call. But I got me some baking soda. Cleaning purposes. Cleaning purposes only. And then I also got my daughter. Oh, that baking soda got in my mouth. But I also got my daughter a new sippy cup. Because she likes to bite all her straws off her new cups. So I have to keep buying her more. This is what this one looks like. It's like a little canister. This is what the top looks like. And it has a little princess fairy on it. That's that. The next store we're going to is the Dollar Tree. I love one stop store because I find everything in the dollar store. So let's see. I got me some razors. Never can have too many razors. I got some pins. I got a lot of arts and crafts stuff because I plan on making a potty chart for my daughter. I write all my YouTube and stuff ideas down in this little book I got. I'm going to show you later. And I also got a big calendar I'll show you later on as well. So I can write everything down. My doctor appointments, or when I want to post my YouTube videos. And then if I just brainstorm some ideas and need to jot it down real quick. But like I said, I got these pins. You get 10 in the pack. 10 for $1. I got some hair ties for my baby. And these are the stickers that I was talking about earlier. So every time she goes to the potty, she gets a reward. She can either stick it onto her little chart or wear it around the house. So you get these little troll stickers. You can see inside. Oh, they're real cute. Ooh, she gonna love this. Yeah. So she got some chose stickers. Next, I got some markers for when I make the little potty chart and for her as well. I got some combs. There's 6 different combs in it. If you can see the different types of combs that you get in it. You get it from the dollar store. 6 combs for $1. Where? Where's you going to get that from for $1? The dollar store. Next, I got me some car masks because my lips are always crusty. Yeah, my lips are always crusty. I found this little marker. It has glitter in it. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. I'm about to be using this marker like crazy because it's so cute. I might even use it when I go to... No, not. This is so cute. And I also got me some little colorful pens. You have pink, green, orange, and purple. Those are cute. Next, I have the little notebook I was talking about. This is where all my little ideas, plans, everything is about to go. So, look at that. Next, I got my daughter a writing pad because I'm teaching her how to write her first name. My baby's smart, so she gonna know how to spell her whole entire name. So it's basically these little white line papers you get when you're in I say middle school. I mean elementary school, pre-K, kindergarten. She got this because we're going to be doing school at home. I was thinking about putting her back on ABC Mouse, but me personally, I don't want my daughter all in the front of the computer. I know all the kids now, since the corona happened, they're on computers, but I want her to learn like hands-on, like learn how to write and not type, not click on nothing, just actually like do it herself. Comment down below if you like virtual learning or if you like to do things hands-on in front of a in the classroom in front of the teacher. Let me know down below. And I also got this. This is what I was going to use at first. These are portfolios. I just want to cut them in half. This is what I was going to use at first for her potty chart. But then I went to Michael's and found the little cute ones. So these I still might use, but I might use it for something else. Stay tuned because I'm going to have a lot of DIY things on my channel as well. Next thing I got is this Wizard of Mist. I got this because I need my room, my house smelling freshly fresh. I need it to smell fresh. I don't need nobody coming up in my room, in my house, smelling like cow and butt cheeks. No, we're not doing that. Next, I got some soap. If you haven't used this soap before, oh, I got candy bar. I ate the other one, but go get you this. It's called Godiva. Go get you this and let me know how you like it below. Because these are the bomb.com. They sell at the dollar store. They got the chocolate and they got the caramel. But get the caramel and then let me know how you like it down below. But anyway, back to the soap. I use Caress Daily Soap. This is one of the soaps that I love to use because it makes you smell really good. So if you don't even put lotion and stuff on and use this, you're going to smell like you just put a whole bar of lotion on. And it smells amazing. So I had to get me some 2 of them. And I got me some Vaseline with cocoa butter. Because like I said, I'm an ashy person. So get your I can't pronounce the word, but you can read. You know what it is. You need this in your life if you're super dry and ashy like I am. Lastly, I got me, I don't know if you guys see it. I got me a little board. Like I was telling you guys earlier, I'm really trying to be organized. So I'm trying to write all my plans down, all my doctor's appointments for me and my baby, when I gotta go to work, when I gotta do inventory for work, when I gotta do this, and that. So I bought me a little board. This is from Office Depot. And I paid, I think, $14.99 for this. And then I got some extra markers as well. And these were $4.99. So this is what I have as well. But yeah. So alright, you guys, that completes everything that I got from when I went shopping today. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. And if you don't mind, just like, commenting, and subscribing to my channel would mean so much to me. So, like I said, if you want to see more stuff like this, just let me know.